Hadiha, have you plucked your eyebrows?
Sorry, ma'am. It was my brother's wedding party last night and...
Listen, I'm going to check on you on Wednesday. You have 2 days to grow your eyebrows back.
Okay, ma'am. I'm gonna apply fertilizer.
Are you making fun of me? Go and call your father. You're expelled from school for 1 week.
Honey, have you plucked your eyebrows?
Yeah, my body, my rules. Problem?
No, sweetie, I wanted to say, yay, you're so gorgeous.
Thanks.
You've brought your phone? Bayat is a spy. If she finds it out, you'll be in a pickle.
Don't worry. Everything is under control.
Oh my god.
Phone? Hadiha, Hajavi, come to my office now.
Have you seen my new phone? It's my dad's gift for the International Girls' Day.
Yay! Let's take a selfie.
Okay.
Hey girls, can I join for another selfie?
I have my mom's lipstick in my bag.
Really? Can I see it?
Let's go to the restroom.
Okay. Girl, your eyeshadow looks stunning.
Oh, really? It's the latest Maybelline palette. I just use it for school because of these silly rules, you know.
Okay, girls, line up. Gamali, don't move. You think it's your auntie's house?
It's a bit cold today, so schools are all closed.